history of the United Kingdom, the Victorian Era was reigned over by Queen Victoria from 1837 to 1901. During this long reign, the British Empire dominated the globe and the country acquired unprecedented power and wealth. Many of the intellectual culture achievements of this period are still with us today. Tea became very popular during Queen Victoria's period. Lower taxes on tea and expansion of plantations meant that there was more affordable tea than ever before. Tea became more accessible to more levels of society, including the working class. By the late Victorian period, afternoon tea was mostly a pastime of the rich. It was a social event, informal business meeting, and a perfect platform for gossips. Prior to the introduction of tea into Britain, English people had two main meals, breakfast and dinner. During the middle of the 18th century, dinner for the upper class had shifted from noontime to evenings at a fashionable late hours. Tea served between 3 and 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It was normally taken in the gardens or dining rooms. Finest china tea sets or silver tea sets were used, which displayed the wealth of the family. This would include teacups, saucers, plates, a milk jar, a sugar bowl, and the teapot. Tea was firstly invented in China. When tea was brought into England, only the extremely wealthy families could afford it. Tea was kept in locked boxes because of its preciousness. What you see here is an original Victoria tea set. They're bone china with hand-painted decorations. After Queen Victoria's death, her eldest son, Prince Edward VII, ascended to the throne. His brief reign lasted only 9 years, so Edwardian period was between 1901 and 1910. This tea set is an Edwardian tea set. My name is June. I am a qualified teacher of science in England, and I am a published author. My book is available on Jingdong, and it makes good gift. If you would like to support my work, please subscribe and hit the like button. I really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day, and I see you again soon.